December. I'm getting up, getting our pre-trip done, getting down the road. We only have 12 hours today in order to do anything, so we're gonna get as far as we can today. Theoretically, I can do, 600 miles today in 12 hours. That leaves us 11 hours to drive, so no problem. We just got to conserve every second, but there we go. Alrighty, it is 7 a.m. We're rolling out now. Make our way through the rest of Indiana, Ohio, into Pennsylvania. Our first stop of the day is the rest service area, Amherst, Ohio. Next stop after that will be Girard, Ohio, to get some little touch up on the fuel and probably put some DEF in the truck at that time. So here we are in Milesburg, Pennsylvania, off of I-80. Stopping here for a load check, and we're going to do our half-an-hour break. Everything's riding pretty good. So overall, not too bad. Righty. Starting to get into some mountains here. We are at 179 on I-80 eastbound in Pennsylvania. Got about another 137 miles to go to our stop just inside New Jersey. We still got 3 hours and 50 minutes on our clock for drive time. It should take us about 2 hours and 20 minutes to get through the mountains, approximately, to get to New Jersey. Being that we're only carrying about 14,000 pounds, we're not going to slow down that much going uphill. In fact, you know, we've got a pretty somewhat decent, like a 5% grade, and we're you know, maintaining our speed of 65. Now I am getting a little assist with the with my foot on the pedal, but we're 11th gear, about 1490 on the tack. So far this morning we've averaged about 7.8 gallons. So we're not doing too bad as far as fuel efficiency. Like I said, we just got about a little over 2 hours to go, make it to where we need to be. And more, you know, I think I'll stop there for the night. It's 3 o'clock right now. So we'll pull in there a little about 5:30, approximately. If I need to get another reserved parking spot for the night, won't be the end of the world. So temperature's gone down a little bit. We're back down to 39 degrees. As long as it stays above freezing, tonight it won't be a big worry. But I want to get up nice and early tomorrow morning. You know, we'll have about 200 miles to go to the pilot near our delivery in Groton. I think it's North Stonington, Connecticut. There's a pilot there. So we should be able to, you know, leave fairly early in the morning, get there before 9 o'clock or so. Somebody will have should have left in there. We should be able to get a parking spot for the rest of the weekend, for the rest of the holiday. You know, at least 10 hours of Saturday or Monday. Keep messing up my days. So at least 10 hours of Monday. We'll be in the sleeper berth. All of Sunday, Christmas Day, we'll be off the clock. Then it should be only like 15 miles approximately from the Pilot back west toward and south towards Groton, Connecticut. So not too bad, you know, 1,300 mile run, fairly easy. Just having to watch the hours because we're working on recaps, gaining just enough to, you know, roll along just fine. So I mean, as long as they got, I believe they have laundry at this Pilot, so I should be able to get a little bit of laundry done, have showers, so I'll be able to do my get my dishes washed. And I'll see if I can't work on the on my shelving unit a little bit more. There's a couple things I still want to do, but we'll see what we what's possible here. I still have another couple of small shelving units down on the bottom bunk that I want to build and install, but we'll have to see what we can do. Still need to pick up a square, and I need to pick up a saw. So we will see what we can do. And there's the TA right there. Actually, I can get up here, screw that. Why go all the way up when I can just go right here? Come on. That don't make no sense. You may have to do, you know, a bit of wandering up the other side in order to get on, but we'll worry about that in the morning.
Approaching destination in 200 feet on the left side. You have arrived at your destination on the left side. Ta Columbia number 006.
Ta. Ready.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
So it's saying 191 miles to our stop. Got to add a couple of miles of that to get to the Pilot. So about 100, just about 205 approximately. Well, there's plenty of reserve spots still left, so and there's plenty of you know, free spots left as well, so we're good. So we're gonna make a U-turn here. We're going to get ourselves parked. take a look, make sure how far we're back, see how much space we got. The load's still doing good. We just got a couple of feet. We can come back a little bit more, just a touch. We need to straighten up our front, but other than that, we're good.